Hey everyone, it's 12:25 p.m. and it's finally Friday. We're still dealing with some fog in the eastern half of the viewing area in the lower valley. That is lowering visibility is down to 3 miles in Raymondville and Harlingen, 2 miles in Brownsville, 1.7 miles in Port Isabel. To add to that, the dense fog advisory continues for the Bay waters and the Gulf waters until 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you are driving this afternoon in the lower valley, please be careful. Keep those low beams on. Visibility is better out west, 10 miles Rio Grande City. We've been seeing some patchy drizzle for this morning, shown in the green, and we're going to keep in a slight chance for some spotty showers for this afternoon. Now, it should still be mild for this afternoon later on today with high temperatures reaching the mid-70s, but right now we are in the 60s across the board at 67 degrees in Rio Grande City, 61 in Weslaco, 64 in Harlingen, 65 in McAllen, and 68 degrees in Brownsville. Take a look at the winds. They're out of the north to northeast between 3 to 7 miles an hour. So here's your day planner forecast. The clouds will stay socked in for the rest of the day and really for tonight, but we should be in the mid-70s at 3 p.m. A stray shower is possible. Also, stray shower is possible at 6 o'clock this evening and at 9 p.m. Temperatures will be around 73 at 6 p.m. and then 70 degrees at 9 p.m. So the front is still hanging out along the Texas Gulf Coast, trying to push to the north as a warm front over Houston and Beaumont. And ahead of it, we're seeing a lot of rain, heavy rain and thunderstorms for places like southern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, middle and west Tennessee, all moving off to the north and east. So much quieter here. And look out west. We have our next front, which is over southern Arizona, over the Tucson area. And boy, it's been snowing in Tucson and Flagstaff, Arizona with a storm system. Well, that front's going to push off to the east and get here in the valley by tomorrow during the day, but it's going to be a weak front. Temperatures right now, 58 degrees in San Antonio, 48 in Dallas, Fort Worth, 61 in Midland, 57 in El Paso, and 62 degrees in Houston. Look up north right now, 21 degrees in Minneapolis, St. Paul, 26 in Des Moines, 27 in Hastings. We've got single digits right now in Bismarck and Winnipeg, 30 at Thunder Bay, and 26 in Green Bay. So here's Future Track. This is Saturday, 6 a.m., a quiet start to the day, but there is a slight chance for some morning showers tomorrow ahead of this front. The front comes in during the day. It'll still be in the 80s for tomorrow for the highs, but behind the front, the winds will crank up. It is going to cool off significantly by Saturday night and Sunday morning. So when you wake up Sunday morning, those low temperatures will only be in the mid-50s. The good news for Sunday, it'll be partly cloudy, a little bit cooler with highs in the 70s, but even better, that humidity will drop just in time for Sunday. Now, it looks like the best chance for sunshine is on Sunday because otherwise it's just cloudy tomorrow and cloudy again for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week. And the reason for that, that same front stalls out over the Gulf of Mexico, then pushes to the north as a warm front. So we're going to keep in a chance for some showers for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but no real cold snaps to talk about. Those temperatures in the day should be reasonable. And then another front finally comes in by Thursday of next week. We'll put in a 30% chance of some showers today, just a 10% chance of a shower on Saturday. Should be dry on Sunday. On the water, dense fog advisory continues till 4 p.m. We'll have winds out of the east at 5 to 15 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop and the seas are 2 to 5 feet. So for today, it's cloudy. It is mild with highs in the mid-70s. There is a slight chance for some spotty showers. Not too bad early on tonight, but do watch out for some patchy overnight fog. And yes, there is a chance for an isolated shower. Low temperatures will dip in the upper 60s. Here's your first 4 and 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Temperatures are back in the lower 80s tomorrow with a slight chance of a shower in the morning. It does turn breezy behind the front, and it's a little cooler on Sunday, but at least it is going to be much less humid on Sunday with partly cloudy skies. The highs are back in the mid-70s, down to 73 Monday, back to 80 on Tuesday, close to 80 Wednesday, thanks to that second front by Thursday, cooling off again for Thursday with highs in the lower 70s. That's your first 4 and 5 forecast. Now here's